Hello guys, it's Genevieve Tabili Norman. Maybe you don't understand what I'm talking about at all. Actually, I'm living here to this country. Actually, I will never be afraid of who they are to me. Dahil ano lang naman sila sa akin, wala naman silang naiambag. They are not helping me here. Yung gusto kong all I want to tell you now is, I am here to their nation, Isberia. Sweden yung nation nila na maguguluhan ka talaga. Para maintindihan nyo ako, if you understand me at all, sa kanilang bansa, you must be planting. Dahil yung plants nila, yun ang magsilbing protection nila sa mga bahay nila, sa labas at sa ilalim ng bahay. If you don't believe me, it's up to you. Kaya talaga ako, the reason why I planting all of this because I want to protect my life, the people that I love here, inside, outside the house, I always really focus on planting. Yung pagtanim-tanim ko guys, to protect yun. Dahil ayokong mamatay na lang tayo dito nang walang kadahilan-dahilan dahil wala kang makikita. Namatay ka na pala. Pues, ginamit ko yung utak ko, ay analyzing a lot. Ito kasi yung tinanim ko. Ngayong March na siya to protect my own self at saka yung asawa ko. Hindi niya kasi maintindihan. Okay. Since I understand, I will never be ashamed to tell you the truth. I never lie. Hindi ako perfecto. Nobody's perfect. But ito talagang pinagsasabi ko, ako gumawa, I am the one create this and to show you globe. Wala akong kinopya, hindi ako ritokada, mukha ko, itong binidyohan ko, dito na lang ako. Kasi hindi kayo convincing na ako. Okay, go. Ito talaga kasi yung pinagkakaabalahan ko. Lumaki na kasi yung kamatis. Ready to planting outside. Mahirap naman talaga kasing magtanim. Kahit sino pang kung sino yung tatanungin mo, walang madali if you are in the planting part. Yung mag-farmer, hindi kasi farmer yung hinawakan ko, just only a view, the beauty. Me, I'm holding mine. If I'm planting, it's me. Iba naman yung ginawa nila, pang-farmer naman talaga yun. Hindi natin sila masisisi. Again, malapit na kasi dito ang summer. Kaya ito na naman yung topic ko. About plants. Para hindi kayo maluluka to me. Yun na nga. Again, ito na nga. Yung nabuo ko. Yung ano talaga, yung kamatis, yung pinaka-focus ko. Pilang beses na kasi ako nagtanim. Almost matagal na yun. Kaya siguro nabuhay sila to me. Dahil yung kamay ko kasi. Yung tatay ko, farmer naman ang lahi noon, sabi niya. Yung lola ko, mahilig din yun magtanim-tanim. Again and again. Hindi ako sinungaling. Guys, dito na lang talaga ako guys. Maraming salamat. Bye.